Start by heating 3 tablespoons of Mr Organic's Italian Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil in a shallow pan on a medium heat. Finally chop a white onion, add it to the pan and fry down until softened. Mince in 3 cloves of garlic and fry off until fragrant before adding in a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of smoked paprika and half a teaspoon of dried chilli flakes. Deseed and chop a sweet red pepper and add that into the pan too. Next, add in a heaped tablespoon of Mr Organic's Italian Organic Tomato Puree and fry it off. Then pour in a tin of Mr Organic's Italian Organic chopped tomatoes, sourced from our 3rd generation tomato farm in Italy, as well as a jar of Mr Organic's chickpeas in their liquid. Crumble in a vegetable stock cube and season well with salt and pepper. Stir the stew through well, then bring to a gentle boil and allow to simmer on a low to medium heat for 25 to 30 minutes. Serve the Tomatoey Chickpea Stew with a side of steamed rice or quinoa, a side of coconut yogurt and a parsley pesto drizzled over the top. Packing in 9 plant points, this plant-rich, gut-healthy recipe heroes our Italian organic tomato products for a comforting dish you'll want to have on rotation over the autumn months.